Target Dollar Spot has stocked up on Halloween and fall decor. So I just wanted to share with you some of the pieces. They have these little like floral pieces, and you can see it's like a snake coiled around. $5 for those right there. Then they have the little coffin like ones. $5 for these. A lot of these pieces too, you can do really cute DIYs with. So these little moss covered pieces right here. So $3 for the pumpkin. Then they have the skull. You can grab that, and you can see like the skull has like a little scary look to it, but $3 for that one too. And then they have this little mushroom thing right here. So it's like the mushroom, and I think that's another mushroom on the side of it, but $3 for that. They have these pieces right here. And again, you can do some really cute DIYs with these. You can make like a little centerpiece, or you can just put them up as is. But $3 for those, and these are like different type bugs, and they're the same on each side. So whichever side you have facing, they'll have the little bug look to it, and all of those were $3. Those are the three bugs they had at my Target. You might have more bugs at your Target. They have these little pumpkins right here. These are $1. I love the Target has brought back the dollar pieces, so they have a few pieces that are still $1. These canisters, so cute. So you can open these up. You can put things in it. You can use a cookie jar. You can put it on your shelf. But $5 for that. This right here too, you can open up. So it's like a little globe. $5 for that right there. So you can get real creative with a lot of these pieces in the Target Dollar Spot. This fall sign, so cute. They have a lot of cute little signs. So this one is $5. They have the little hook so you can hang it up. They had a few of these. This one was messed up. I just wanted to show that just be careful when you're picking up stuff, because that one had crown on it. $5 for that. This little sign right here, little Halloween sign, $3 for that. This one I love because it has a little beading detail, a little pumpkin on it, and that one is $5 also for that. And it has a little hook up top. Another cute Halloween sign. You can see like a little burlap detail on that one right there, and it has the hook at the top. $3 for that one right there. Another cute Halloween one with a little rope hook on the top right there. $3 for that one. So you see they have a lot of cute signs. These are like from the summer, but they still have some at my Target. So $3 for that. You can see just a ton of cute little decor pieces, decorative pieces. These containers right here, these little buckets, you can do something cute with these on the front, or you can just leave them as is, store a little stuff in them for the season. But $5, they had it in orange and in black at my Target, these little trays. I do feel like the trays are getting smaller as time goes by at Target, but they are still cute. So $5 for that one. And it's a metal like material. And then this one right here, more of a rectangle shape. And this one has like the little gold handles to it. And this one too is $5 too. This little Lazy Susan, so cute. So it's like a apple, a pumpkin, but it's a Lazy Susan. So $3 for that. And you can just put that out in your kitchen, maybe put your spices on it, use it at your coffee station or something. They have these little baskets. Another one that you can DIY, or you can just put little pumpkins in it. You can decorate it in a bunch of different ways. But $5 for that. The mugs. I wish it had the jack-o'-lantern on both sides, but $3 for that. These little vases, they always have a lot of little vases, and these have a texture. $3. I thought these were so cute, because one is cheaper than Dollar Tree, but it has so much detail. So $1 for these. That one has a little bone print in the inside. The jack-o'-lantern just has like an orange color in the inside, but the Boo one has like the checkered print in the inside. But you can make some cute topiary pieces for the season with these, some stacked skeletons, pumpkins. You can do a lot of different things. These little vases right here, $3. They have the candles. They change those up every season, every holiday, $3. And they had a good smell to them too. So they had those 2 cents and like that pumpkin-like shape at my Target. These right here, they do have in other colors, but these are the ones they had left today. So $3, and it's a taper candle holder. These coaster sets. Again, another one that might be left over from this summer, but I haven't seen them all year. So it has the holder and the 4 coasters, $3 for that. And then they have it in this like flower shape too. Again, four, but they'll be all different colors, and $3 for that too. Then they have the little craft kits like for the kids, so like kind of like ceramic pumpkin. And then you can paint it and decorate it how they want. It comes with the paints, $3. And then they had like the little house that you can also do. And again, $3 for that one right there. These little cups, okay, another one that's $1. So you can see they have different little sayings on it. That one's like trick or treat, give me a drink. This Momster one, and you see a lot of t-shirts and stuff with that. This here for the booze, and these are all $1. They're like a plastic, so you don't have to worry about them breaking. These little basket trays, or you can make like some cute wall decor with these. And they have, I've only seen them in these two colors, so $3 for those right there. The garland that they have, so they have this one, so this you can open up, you can make a little wreath out of it, you can do different things, but $5. And then this one right here, great for the holiday season because that gold is just like so bright and pretty. But $5 for that one too. The throws, you know, they always have throws and different things for the season, and these had a nice feel, and they were 50 by 60 inches and $5 for that. Then they had this blue one that kind of has like a little pattern going on with that one right there, and that one is the same size, the 50 by 60. They have like this like spa stuff that they're having out, so $5 for the towel. So it's just like a, you know, a wrap towel that you would put. They had it in three colors at my Target right now. You might find other colors at your Target. And then they have the hair towels that you can also grab too, $3. Kind of match but didn't match. The tea towels, they have those in a set of two for $5. So they have different ones for the fall, for Halloween that you can grab. So you can match these with stitching decor. This I think is another leftover from summer, but the colors are so pretty. And then this one right here. They have this one right here. It says Happy Halloween, and it has little pumpkins. I love the print on that little pumpkin one right there. The throw pillows, you know, those are $5. Again, another one that I think got a little bit smaller, but they still are cute. This plaid one with the little tassels on the end, and these are all the throw pillows are $5. This one right here with like the pumpkin, the squashes on it, and that's just like a nice simple print that'll fit in. This Hey Pumpkin one, really cute, and it's like longer, like kind of like a lumbar pillow, but not a lumbar pillow. And that one is $5 too. And the tassels match the little wording on it, which I think is cute. And then this Halloween skeleton one, so cute. And this one has like the little black tassels on it. And this one $5 too for that one. These they come out with a lot of these. So the little faux florals, and they're in the vase, so they're glued into the vase. But they are $5 for the set of those, and you can see they come in different like arrangements. They also had it in this nice little amber light glass. These you can get singular by themselves. These are like just the stems, and they are $1. Okay, so just be careful when you're picking up the stuff, because you can see it says potted florals. So the florals should be in there. They should be glued in there like that. But for some reason they were out. So just be careful when you're picking those up. The little wine tumbler that you can grab. So I can't remember if they have those in other colors, but those are $5. The glass sets, love these. Target, the Bullseye section, the dollar spot has a lot of nice little barware. So those glasses come in two colors. These come in two colors, or at least those are the colors that I've seen. And they are a set of two, and they are $5 for those right there. These, you can open that up, put something in there, cute little DIY, or just leave it like that. It has a little bat on top. $5 for that. Another cute little basket. Again, you can decorate it or leave it as is. $5 for that. They have a ton of little gnomes. You can put the gnomes in the baskets with some pumpkins. And they have different styles in that. This is part of the B collection, but it was broke. These little trays with the handles. This comes in another color too. So if you can find another color, you might want that. $5 for that. These baskets, which I think are so pretty, and they come in a few different colors too. So it's just one singular basket that you'll get for $5. Then these, which I thought were cool. So they're little flasks. So you get a set of two of these. They have these in like an iridescent color too that you can grab. These glasses I thought were so cute. So they are plastic, and it has like the skeleton head and then like the little web on the bottom. You get the set of two for $3, which I think is so cute. And then these are like, you know, that dupe, but they're in the plastic, so they have the white little skeleton hand on there for the glass. You get a set of two of those too. The pumpkins, they have a ton of these for $3. They have some smaller ones for $1, but you can see they have a ton of colors and prints to pick from. These baskets, another one that are cute, and they are $5. Like that rope lattice kind of look, and those come in different colors too. They have the little small pumpkins too, not only just in the plush, but in these hard ones right here, and those are $1. They have this wasn't part of the dollar spot, but it was there, and I just thought it was cute. So it's like the Hearth and Hand collection, and that is just a really pretty basket. $9 for those. So it's a small size, but it is cute. These are like purses, bags. I don't know for the kids, what have you, but they have the bat one, and then they have this one, which I thought the color was so cute, and they come with a little flag. I don't know what you do with the flag, but they are $5 for those right there, and they're just super cute. These little like ceramic pumpkins, and these are cute because they have a little light in there if you can see it. So they'll light up $5 for that one right there. Then they have this stripe one with like the color of the orange on top of it. I think goes really nice because it's not too bright. And these all have the little light inside of these too. And this little pumpkin has like the little spider web detail on it. So then they another sign from like that bead collection. So if you didn't see it, you might be able to still find some of those pieces. $3 for that right there. They have like the bowl filler, or you can make crafts with them. Different things. They have like pumpkins, all kind of different things. But $3 for those. The hats. I keep picking these up. The hats are so cute because it's a felt hat. It's $5 for a felt hat. Cute little fall look, and they have them. I've only seen them in these two colors right here, but if you're looking like for a little fedora, you don't want to spend a lot of money. $5, and you can try out the look. These right here, another cute one that I think could be cute for DIYs or just like a little display or something. But these are $1, and they have a ton of different ones. They have more than these. They have other ones too that they had on the other side. But I just thought those were cute. So, and these are all, like I said, $1. I'm loving the dollar part now because I always call it the dollar spot because that's what it used to be. Um, and it's getting back to that. These are little candles, which I think are so cute. So they are $3. They had that one and then the little cat one at my Target. So they might have more choice. This right here, so this will light up. I'm not sure if it's just the little top pieces like the candle part or if the skeleton part lights up too. But $5 for that right there. This tray, just something simple, a little trinket tray, but you could jazz that up if you wanted to. $5 for that. They have these little pumpkins, $1, and these have an opening in the bottom, so they are like different shapes. You can see different colors, but you can add like a little the electric tea light or something in there. More of those little like potion bottle things. These little jars, so cute. So if you have to decorate for the season, like your kitchen and stuff like that, $3 for these. You could probably use these as drinking glasses too if you wanted to. These you can use like in your bar area or just for like for some other kind of decor, but $5 for that one right there. They might have other prints in this too. And then the apothecary one, I always love apothecary style stuff. So they have that one right there, kind of like a frosted glass look, $5 for that. This little lantern I thought was cute. It has like a pretty gold handle. Again, you could put like a little tea light in there. $5 for that. I'm not sure if that came in other prints. I only saw that one. This right here, so you can see it kind of has like that mercury glass look. It has a little bat on top, but this has a light in it too. So this will light up. So $5 for that right there. And then they have it in this style too with the little toad on top, and then it's like the green, and they both have like the the cute little signs. And like I said, they are $5 for each of those. These another one that lights up. So he has a little light in there. So just a little gnome, the little gnome character, but it's like Frankenstein too at the same time. So you can grab those for $5. And then they had it in like the cat one too. So those are the two that they had at my Target. They might have more at yours, but those are the two that they had at mine. And again, both of those do light up and they are $5. They have these containers. These are good for the kitchen too. Again, you can customize them. I think it comes in a white too. So they had the black and the gold at my Target right now. It just has like the wood top with the black handle. I think on all of them have the same kind of top. But $5 for those right there. These I love. They come out with these for different holidays, different seasons at Target. So again, you can open these, you can customize these, but it's posted like a little candy dispenser. But this one is like a pumpkin shape for the candy dispenser. $5 for that. Target, Dollar Tree has a plastic one that's smaller than that, but this one is like a ceramic. These pumpkins, so they're like the smaller ones, but these have a light in it. So you can grab those for $3. You can make a whole little setup with the small ones. These for $3. You can grab those. This, another little thing that you can open up and you can put something in, or you can just leave it just like that. So it's just a little ghost. $5 for that one right there. And then these baskets, cute. So I think this is an apple. I'm not 100% sure, but you can open up the top and you can put stuff in. You can use it for storage. $5 for that one right there. Then they have this one right here. This one I'm definitely not. I thought it was an acorn until I saw the other one, but probably that's a pumpkin. And then they have this one right here that is an acorn, which is super cute too. But they all are priced the same for all of these $5. And then they still have the wine racks, and these are stackable. They have them in gold too, but a different shape. But these right here, I know for sure are stackable. So you might want to check out your Target dollar spot.